Ain't nature beautiful? How peaceful is it for a walk round the woods in the UK? Are you going to do any more zoomies today, Bella? Eh? I must admit, she's just getting over a bit of a shater leg. I don't know how she did it, but she's 5 now, so she's knocking on a bit. But one of her back legs were a bit sore. Thinking out here with that right one. She had just been hobbling a little bit for the last couple of days, so I ain't been walking her far. But she seems to be okay now. So I ain't been walking her far, just give her little walks. Just to do her business, if you know what I mean. And just letting it get better by itself. But yeah, isn't nature beautiful? All these different colours. Bluebells. Look at them. Just a little quick video. Well, saying that it's been 1 minute 40 seconds. So I hope you don't get bored. But yeah. See you real soon, everybody. See you later. Bye.